Kubor nag-slam jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden rangba ke United Democratic Party uba Metbah lingdo. Habaya keren matkilat pathai kubor mentak sengi ke kendai terik uya yong arajar arpusau ha office terekam jong ka seng ulaong. Bah ke jingyalap election. Umdon por ban pet bat Bishar ke jinglong jingman jong Kiwei pat ki seng san perthei. Hynrei kum ka seng hi ka kampen lut kambun ka por ban Pynkhlaiñ na ka benta Kyrtong Lajong kenang bakipat ba kin la ban ai ka jing kershan ya ka parti. Hagamede bat ka jing jia ya huri hura bat ka jing penthot ka balami menhinen ka med ha umsning ha ka por ba ka NPP karang penlong ya ka jing yalap election ha ka bakiladon katokan ingut ki breu ya ki bala antat bagi di kinong kershan jong ka BPP kila perta ya ka syap ha upra bat kalami ka jing kolomar na kalyang jong ulaong bakino kino ki sengsan pertai ki don ka hok ban yalap bat ka ka bala jia menhin ka mit kalong ka bom slotenan la benrap uba Metbah.
I don't know exactly how did it started about also. I think it will be unfair for me to say anything. But during the polling, I think everybody, any political parties have the right to campaign for the candidate, and everybody should give them that right to whether candidate or whoever campaigning for them, the platform where they can express or whatever they want to address to the people for their own candidate.
We
own democratic rights. This is my first birthday. I think I will not spend any time to look for other political parties. This is what they are doing.
But do you
Our
think
concerns is about our own politics. So as of now, we are doing quite well on the ground, and people do expect us to reach to each and every corner of the Shillong parliamentary constituencies, and we are doing that right now.